I love. Finally, we are here. The day we dreamed of. First, I want to thank God for showing me the way to your heart. I am truly blessed to have you in my life. Love, I know our journey is not perfect. But despite all the hardships, petty quarrels, and misunderstandings, together our love endured. Alam ko, hindi magiging madali. Maraming pagsubok ang magiging buhay natin. Pero ganun pa man, masaya ako. At alam kong ikaw ang kasama ko sa bawat pagsubok na ating tatahakin. Thank you for choosing me. Kahit alam kong minsan inis na inis ka na, naiirita sa kakulitan ko at katigasan ng ulo, pinili mo pa din ako. Wala nang bawian. Nice decision yan. Love, as our journey continues as husband and wife, I promise to hold your hand in times of trouble, hug you in times of sorrow, and kiss you in times of joy. I promise to be a good-looking husband, friend, and father to our future family. I promise to respect and protect you with all my life. Hindi ko man maipapangako sa iyo ang mundo. Isa lang ang sisiguraduhin ko, na sa iyo lang iikot ang mundo ko. Mahal na mahal kita, ngayon, bukas at magpakailan.
Okay. Love, today I stand before you, ready to take this next step in our journey together. Looking back, never kong na-imagine na dadating tayo sa araw na ito. Kasi hindi naman natin gusto ang isa't isa nung high school or nung college. I never looked at you. I never looked at you as someone special, but just one of Kate's good friends. I'm glad that even after all the heartaches, I believe it was all meant to happen, and God paved the path for me so I can find my way to you. So, love, ito na to, yung day na pinaghirapan natin ng isang taon. Tatapos na. Makakatulog na. Wala nang bawian to kahit magsumbong ka pa sa BIR. Today, I choose you to be my partner for life. Kahit partner in crime pa kung gusto mo. I vow to choose you every day, 1,000,000 times over. I vow to respect and honor you, encourage and support you. I'll always be your number one cheerleader na laging late sa mga laro niyo. I vow to give you half ng rice ko sa tuwing kakain tayo. I promise to always have your back. Palagi mo akong kakampi sa kahit anong laban, wag lang sa laban nating dalawa. I promise to always pick up after you. And listen to your work stories and never turn down a Netflix marathon kahit makakatulog din naman ako. I take you as my partner in life now and always, for better or for worse, even when you leave the toilet seat up. Lastly, I vow to love you unconditionally and wholeheartedly for the rest of my life. Let's do this marriage thing with lots of laughter and love. Happy 6th anniversary, love. I love you so much.
I'm stuck on you.